To load and update the charts, whether it is by DVD or USB flash drive, clicking Auto Import button on top left corner will by default search automatically for a CD or DVD. This method applies for all types of updates, the weekly ENC and AIO updates, and the new base charts for every 6 to 8 weeks. With CD or DVD it is straightforward. In this case we will start with base CD, which will contain new chart additions. Insert the disc in the disk drive, then click on Auto Import. You will get an attention box about the import and loading process. You must acknowledge the displayed attention message before the update can continue. Click OK to continue. The ECDIS will now automatically search for update files in the disk drive. New attention box will appear showing the week number and the contents that will be installed. Click OK to continue. Result window appear after base chart installation process, reporting how many charts that are installed. Click Confirm to exit the window. You can now click on Show Details. In Update Summary, you can see which charts from base CD1 that have been installed on the ECDIS. On top of the Update Summary, we can see that 4 charts already have updates available, which we later on will install to keep the charts updated. Click Finish to close the installation window. In the next lesson we will load the base charts by USB flash memory stick. Updating the base charts using USB memory stick has the same approach as CD or DVD. Click on Auto Import to start the installation process. Attention box appears, telling us the process will take time. Click OK to continue. As default, the ECDIS will search for a CD or DVD. Since we have no CD or DVD in the disk drive, an attention box will appear saying, "Valid media not found." In this case, we have to click Select and double-click on USB flash. Inside the USB folder, we double-click the ENC base. Now we see a collection of base charts, packed as if they were a CD. In this tutorial we will install base CD3. This file is named AVCS S63, version 1.1, base CD3. Click on the file name, then click on OK. Attention box will now tell us the base media is from 2019, week 41. And the media contains 2147 chart, 0 of which are already installed. The license covers 79 of the charts in the base media, and 79 chart can be installed. Click OK to continue. Result window will show us how many chart we have installed and updated. In this case we have installed 79 charts and updated 0 charts. Click Confirm to close the result window. You can click on Show Detail to see which charts that have been installed. In Update Summary you can see a complete list of specific charts that have been installed. Click Finish button to close the window. In the next lesson, we will install the weekly ENC updates on the ECDIS. Updating the weekly ENC updates by CD has the same approach as installing new ENC base by CD. Insert the CD in the disk drive, and click on the Auto Import button. Click OK after reading the attention box. Another attention box will appear containing information on the update CD, the week number, and the total amount of chart that will be updated. If you are missing some base charts in your ECDIS, you will get a reminder which ENC CDs you should install first. In this case we have not installed base CD 5 and 6. In this example we will continue to update the other charts. Click OK to continue. The ECDIS will now update the charts. When the ECDIS is done updating, the result window will appear showing the total updated charts. Click Confirm to close the window. You can click on Show Detail on Install Chart Data window. Update Summary gives you a complete overview of the charts that have been updated. You can now click the Finish button to close the window. You have now successfully updated your charts. When in chart mode, AVCS weekly chart updates from the USB flash is done by clicking the Auto Import button. Make sure that no CD or DVD is loaded in the disk drive. This will give us an option to select our update media manually. Click on Auto Import to start the update sequence. Click OK after reading the attention box, which informs us this process takes time to complete. The ECDIS will automatically search for DVD or CD in the drive. When the CD media is not found, click Select. In Select Folder window, double-click on USB Flash. Admiralty Vector Chart Service gives the file a name and store the files so the updates are readable for the ECDIS. In this case, the updates are named AVCS S63, version 1.1. Update CD, week number, and year. Single-click and highlight the update file. Then, click OK. The ECDIS will now read the file. Attention box will appear and inform the operator the total amount of updates that will be applied. Click OK to continue. The amount of installed and updated charts will now appear on the result window. Click Confirm to close the window. You can click on Show Detail to read the update summary and see which charts that have been installed and updated. If we have a non-sequential update or missing base charts, the ECDIS will warn us to install those first. Click Finish to close the Install Chart Data window. We have now updated the charts on the ECDIS.